if you have a Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana Kitchenaid, or Jenn-Air refrigerator with ice and water through the door, the chances are you've been buying a bunch of these filters uh, to replace your filter when it gets stopped up or whatever happens to it when water stops coming through it. And if you're like me and live in an area that has decent water and you really don't need a filter and you're tired of spending the money on them, there's an easy answer to this, and you can buy these caps on Amazon, and they are actually made by Whirlpool, that will go in place of the filter. So yes, you won't be drinking filtered water, but you will be drinking cold water and no longer have to spend the money to replace these filters. So most of these are the Whirlpool Filter 4, but I'm going to go over here to this box, and this is a whole list of filters that it will replace. Okay, well, the filter could be various places, but in most of the Whirlpool, it's in the upper right-hand corner of the fridge. So, open the little door here for your filter. You can kind of pull it down. Woo! Twist it off. You might want to have a paper towel in here. You're going to get a little bit of water. But anyway, so these bypass caps just twist right in place. A little bit of water here, and you're done. No more buying filters. You just get straight tap water out that's chilled and ice. So if you're just tired of spending money on filters, there you go.